Hi, this is Crystal McFadden at Cole Chevy bringing you the tip of the day. With these preparation tips, we can show you how to keep your vehicle safer. For the first tip, might sound like a no-brainer, but if you have a garage and you want to avoid vandalism, it's best to park your car in the garage. If you do not have a garage or you plan on parking in a public space, you want to avoid vandalism, make sure to grab all of your personal items out of the vehicle. By using the alarm system on your vehicle, you can ensure that vandals won't get close enough to your vehicle to cause any damage. So make sure that you lock your vehicle and set your alarm. On top of protecting the outside of your vehicle, the most important thing you can remember on Halloween is how your actions affect on the inside. Always be aware of your surrounding. There's a lot of kids running around and a lot of chaos in Halloween, and you always want to make sure that not only you, but the people around you are protected. So always remember to check your rearview mirrors. Thank you for watching today's tip. Make sure you check back next week for more tips and tricks. Also, make sure to take a look at our inventory at colechevy.com. And remember, happy Halloween!